Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Zacconi Riviera Espresso machine. Now for this machine, we just did a tune-up, replacing the gaskets that you see right here. The gaskets from the piston, the gaskets from the side glass itself, the gasket from the portafilter. We also deep cleaned the portafilter, deep cleaned the group head, and just gave it a good clean through the whole machine. We tested this machine as well throughout the day to make sure there was nothing, there's no leaks or anything like that. And yeah, so starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna test this machine out. Hopefully I pick up the right grind settings to this machine, as this machine is a spring lever machine, so you definitely need to really adjust that grind and in order to get a perfect cup of coffee. So let's see if I actually did a good job by dialing in. We're gonna let the lever run out, and once we have a little bit of water coming out through here, we're gonna let it sit there and just pull the shot. And as you saw, it wasn't that bad. Probably I needed to increase the coffee quantity of the in the portafilter, and maybe tamper a little bit extra hard just to get that perfect pressure coming out of the machine. But this was a good shot of espresso, perfect quantity, and really good crema on the top as well. I think coming out of this machine is amazing, working perfectly fine. As you can see, working really great, having excellent pressure and extremely good temperature. Very easy to open and close as well. So it's definitely working perfectly fine. And there you have it, Zacconi Riviera Espresso machine working once again. So thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to my channel for more content like this every day. And thanks for watching.